Hey knitters, Lindsay and Puddles here from Knit Echo Chic. Today's YouTube video is a quick tutorial on making an I-cord. It's a fun set of challenges I've joined together with a few other indie designers, bringing different tips and tricks to YouTube and the knitting world. I was challenged by Herman of Knit Equals Joy to show how to knit an I-cord and some I-cord tricks. And this gorgeous ball of yarn that I've knit into an I-cord is Cobam from Fearless Feet Fibers. It is organic cotton and bamboo fingering weight yarn. You can use straight needles, you can use DPNs, you can use circular needles, whatever fits your fancy. I'll be demonstrating a 5-stitch I-cord. So for DPNs, you can slip your stitches so that you bring the yarn around the back to the first stitch, knit to the end, now your yarn is at the end, and you can either slip your stitches to your other needle and bring the yarn around to the back, knit to the end, or the beauty of using double pointed needles or circular needles is you just slide to the other end of the needle and knit to the end. So once you've knit to the end, slide, don't slide them off, and knit. So this method works for both DPNs and circular needles. I'll grab a circ here. Unfortunately, my circ has a very long cable in the middle. So I slip as if to purl, and it doesn't really matter, you just want consistency. And then slide all the way, whoops, got a knot there. Slide all the way to the end. Knit your 5. Again, you can either slip them back to this side or you can slide all the way to the end. Knit your 5. I'll demonstrate straight needles. You have to slip. You can't slide on the straight needle because you'll slide to the end of the needle. So knit to the end. You can tell I haven't used straight needles in a long time, and that is because of Puddles. He does not like them. So I use circs even when I'm knitting flat. And once you knit to the end, you have to slip back. Whoops. And if you drop one, carefully pick it back up and slip. So, whether you choose DPNs, circulars, or straight needles, you'll be able to make a beautiful I-cord of any length. And remember my trick, when slipping, you can slip as if to knit or as if to purl, depending on your preference. Just remain consistent for a beautiful result. Happy knitting! My turn to challenge someone, and I challenge Barbara Benson of Tump Duck to demonstrate how to pick up drop stitches. Can't wait to see your demonstration, Barbara. Happy knitting!